All right, so we're riding through traffic. We see a lot of people backed up.
Oh, yeah.
Good braking on the rider in the back. So this is where you rescue another rider with medical training. Seems like they're doing okay. Okay, just take a look at right here. So we have multiple people kind of backed up. We have one person on the ground. Maybe it was a passenger of the guy that is standing right here. I don't know yet. But I have a feeling that this vehicle right there kind of caused it when he wanted to turn into this area. How did we crash into them? Okay, a lot of motorcyclists think it's cars that strike them that is the cause of a lot of accidents. It's actually motorcyclists striking the car or striking a fixed object that is causing a lot of the crashes. Not causing, but is what's happening in the crashes. What's causing a lot of it is a left turner turning in front of us, we strike. Right here, not paying attention, we strike the backside of the vehicle. So that's really what a lot of it is. And then the cornering the fixed object, we strike the guardrail. So I have a feeling these people are white zoned. They're not paying attention. They're not paying attention. In order to stay out of white stage, what should we be doing? Okay, I know. Hey, you. Yep. Yellow stage. Relaxed, prepared, aware, though. Okay, so you're zoned in. Good situational awareness. You ever feel that flow state that you have when you're riding, and all of a sudden everything just works out great, and you're like, man, I see everything. Like when you're playing video games, you're like, you're in the zone. Like you're that flow state. That's what I want you to stay in. When you get out of it and you're like, hey, you know, what did I eat earlier? What did I eat yesterday? Well, what did that text message? That's when you start to zone out. That is way too close. If somebody applies the brakes, somebody's going to hit them. That's just way too close. There's not enough room for error. You have to anticipate that there's going to be some error involved. And with that, you should space it. Okay, so this is the exact reason why we need that space. Because if one person crashes, the second person might not, but the third person might crash into that person, and it'll just cascade into craziness.